peace, just like other countries of the world. So it's not unlikely that here they are going to talk about all the theaters of wars and insurgencies and unrest all over the world. And they will find a common front and a common solution. So it's very important for the greater and then it's peace.
President Buhari is likely to meet Nigerian government there. What is he going to be telling them?
Well, at the time that Nigeria is not going to the polls, I'm sure he's going to assure them that